Question. In what century we are living? Answer. We are in century where our phones are wireless. Cooking is fireless. Cars are keyless. Food is fatless. Tires are tubeless. Dresses are sleeveless. Youth are jobless. Leaders are shameless. Relationships are meaningless. Attitude is careless. Wives are fearless. Babies are fatherless. Feelings are heartless. Education is valueless. Children are mannerless. Everything is becoming less, but still, our hope are endless. In fact, I am speechless.